Hello students, in our previous video we have discussed about 7 basic or fundamental units which are used to measure the physical properties. But there are many units, not only 7 units, more than 7 units are present, okay. But only 7 units are our fundamental units. The rest of the units are known as derived units, okay. They are known as derived units. There are many units which are not included in that list, okay, like unit of volume, unit of density and all, they are not given. So, such units are known as derived units which are derived from those 7 fundamental or basic units. Now, we have to convert different units into SI system of units, international system of units. How do you convert those units? For example, when you are measuring the length of any object, normally it is represented in terms of centimeter, but in our calculation we need to use it in terms of meter. Okay, smaller lengths will be represented in terms of picometer or in angstroms. Okay, such units need to be converted into SI units. Okay, for that purpose we use some prefixes in SI system. Okay, how to use these prefixes to convert the units? I will give you one example. Say 10 to the power of 10 centimeter is given to you. Okay, how do you convert this 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter into meter? So, this type of conversions are required in our calculation. One more, 10 to the power of minus 12 picometer, such units will be given to you. You have to convert this into meter. In these cases, we have to use these prefixes. Okay, I will mention you different kinds of prefixes. The exponents of 10 which are known as multiples, which are used to convert the units to SI system. The first unit, the multiple is 10 raised to minus 15, 10 to the power of minus 15. The name of the prefix is femto and its symbol is F. Example, sometime if you write 10 Fm, 10 femtometer, 10 femtometer means it is 10 into 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Here F means 10 raised to minus 15, 10 to the power of minus 15. This is how you convert femtometer to meter, understood? Similarly, 10 raised to minus 12, this is very important, you remember this. Pico, 10 raised to minus 12 is prefix is termed as pico and its symbol is small letter p. See, I will give the example, 10 raised to minus 12 picometer, okay. So, if I give this as 10 to the power of minus, here I have given Fm, 10 pm, sorry, yes, 10 pm, 10 picometer is equal to 10 into 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. So, this is pico, minus 15 is femto, this is pico. This is how you convert picometer into meter. Next, 10 raised to minus 9, 10 to the power of minus 9, which is commonly known as nano. This is also very important, you remember this. Okay, the multiples which are marked with asterisks are very important. Okay, for our conversions in numericals, these are very important. So, you try to remember all these things. Next, 10 raised to minus 6, which is usually known as micro. Okay, 1 micrometer. 1 micrometer means 1 micro. This is the symbol for micrometer. 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. This is how you convert. Understood? Yes. Next, 10 raised to minus 3, which is known as milli, its symbol is m. 1 mm, 1 millimeter means 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. Why? Milli means what? 10 raised to minus 3. The multiple is 10 raised to minus 3. So, remember this multiple. Next, centi, 10 raised to minus 2 is known as centi. 10 centimeter, you are writing like this. 10 centimeter means 10 into, what is centi? 10 raised to minus 2 meter. This is how you convert. It's very simple. Similarly, 10 raised to minus 1, which is known as deci. This is not usually used in our calculations. Next, coming to the positive multiples or exponents of 10. 10 is known as 10 raised to 1 is known as deca. This is not used in our chemistry. Next, 10 raised to 3, 10 to the power of 3. This is widely used in our chemistry. So, this is known as kilo and its symbol is small letter k. See, we write 1 kg. 1 kg means 1 into 10 to the power of 3 gram. This is how you convert kgs into grams. 10 raised to 6, which is known as mega. So its symbol is m. You might have heard about megabytes, megabyte, bits and all. Next, 10 raised to 9, 10 to the power of 9, which is known as giga, G. 10 raised to 12, which is known as tera, capital letter T here. You might have heard about MB, GB, TB and all. This data now idರಲ್ಲಿ measure ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Okay. So you try to remember the multiples which are marked in asterisks. They are very important in our calculation. Understood? So for 1 mark, they will ask you to convert some units based on these prefixes. You remember this. I will give some examples as assignment in next week. Okay. This is about the SI units and prefixes.